Good morning to all of you. I would welcome you to this class of 11 language. Today let us begin page 46, assignment. Page 46, assignment, filling the blanks. Number 1, the quality of the pens was not good. Was because quality singular. Second, 4,000 rupees is a good sum. Is 3. None but the brave deserve the fair. DESERVE. 4. Either Rina or her brothers are at fault. Brothers, plural, are. 5. Each of the boys was given an apple. Was. 6. A large number of children were present at the meeting. Were present. 6. The great poet and singer is dead. 8. Many a man was present. 9. One of the boys was caught. 10. 2 and 2 make 4. MAKE. 11. The jury were divided in their opinion. Were. 12. The accountant and the cashier were absent. 13. The shop with all its contents was insured. Shop was. 14. The teacher as well as her pupils was present. Teacher was. 15. Rice and curry is his favorite food. Is. 16. Each of his brothers and sisters is at fault. Each. Let us go ahead. Phrasal verbs, page 48, beginning with the do. Do away with. Do away with means to discard or to avoid or to throw away. Do for means to ruin. Do out of means to cheat. Do over, two meanings. Number 1, do again. Second, to renovate. To renovate means to make new or to restore an old building to a good, better condition. Do up, two meanings. Number 1, comb and fasten, usually the hair. Second, to wash and press. And third, to arrange. Do with means manage with something or somebody. Do without means manage without. Drop. Drop in means to visit without any information, maybe all of a sudden. Drop out means to leave and go, especially study, picnic, etc. Draw. Draw back means to retreat. Draw on means to depend on. Drag into means to drag. Draw to means to attract. Draw up means to make or write something that needs some good plan. Fall. Fall back on means use in emergency. Fall behind means to make less progress. Fall in, two meanings. Number 1, to collapse or to roof or to fall down. And second meaning, to line up. Fall off means to decrease or to desert. Fall out means to quarrel. Fall through means again fail. Get ahead means to succeed or to proceed. Get ahead of means to surpass or pass or overtake. Get along, two meanings. 1, manage. Second, be friendly. Get around means to circulate. Get at means keep criticizing. Get away means to escape. Get away with, do something undesired without any punishment. Get back from means to return. Get back to means to return to something. Get by means manage unpleasantly or even to pass. Get down to attend seriously, especially to business or studies. Get off means to come down. Get on, either to make progress or to be friendly. Get out, one meaning to publish, another meaning be released from. Get over means recover from. Get round, persuade. Get through, succeed in. Get to, reach or to start. Let us turn to assignment 1. Number 1, she will do without a car. Do without means manage without. Second, the maid has done up the house before their arrival. Here done up means arranged. 3, she is not unduly worried about funds as she has her inheritance to fall back on. To fall back on means to use in emergency or at a later time when one is in need of money. 4, the father and son have fallen out with each other, means quarreled. 5, the old man has drawn up his plan. Drawn up means make or write something, very careful planning. 6, as I reached the station, I saw my train draw up. Draw up means come near. 7, she will never be able to get over her husband's death. Get over means to recover from. 8, both the boys seems to be getting on well in school. Getting on well means making progress. 9, they could not understand what he was getting at. Getting at means keep criticizing. 10, he got away with just a fine. Got away means escaped. Common error. Number 1, he insisted on my accompanying him. Insisted on my accompanying him. Second, I and Bina, make it into Bina and I. Third person and first person. Bina and I. 3, yours is the best painting in the exhibition. Your spelling yours. 4, one should keep one's promise. One's, not his. 5, this is the best film I have ever seen. No need of that. 6, let you and me. 7, all students except I. No, except me. Begin, except me, comma, all students are going for the picnic. Except me, comma, all students are going for the picnic. Again 8, between you and me, not I. 9, the teacher wants to see Joe and you. Joe and you. 10, Suresh and I went there. Suresh and I. 11. I cursed myself. I cursed myself. 12. Where is the man? Who? W-H-O. Who, comma, you said, comma, insist on seeing me. Where is the man who, you said, insist on seeing me? Please go through this, and if you have any doubts or clarifications, you can call up me. Till then, have a good day.